So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Countryball on your Chromebook. There are many apps for this, but we're going to use ISBIS Paint X. So you can do My Gallery, plus I would recommend SD size, and here you have it. So when you install the app and open the canvas, you'll have many features. And if you want to make a country ball, if you want it to be like a circular country ball, like actually a circle instead of just freehanding it, you can use the brush and the circle ruler up here. Just click on this, then choose the ruler you want. Right now I'm using the circle ruler. Then just draw around it. You don't have to worry about messing up because since this is a ruler, it will go in a circle anyway. So then after you draw your circle, you can turn the ruler off. So right now, let's say that we want to make Bangladesh ball. I'm just thinking of a random country. So to make Bangladesh, you need another circle inside here. So I'm going to make this there. So we have the circle here off. So I think that this is red. I think the inside is red, I'm pretty sure, and the outside is dark green. So you just go to the bucket option, go to the red, which is right here, then click the red, fill in this area as red. Then you can try finding a dark green that you think would be good for the outside. So you can go like this. So this would be your main part. Now for the most fun part, which is the eyes. In my opinion, that's the most fun part. So if you want to make happy Bangladesh, all you need to do is just take the ruler, make some small eyes. I made a mistake here, so here's the ruler. You can just shrink it down and put this right here. Then just circle it around and do the same here. And then just fill this area white. So that's happy Bangladesh. Well, you can't really tell. If you want, what you can do is take the eyedropper, select, okay, then you can take the brush and turn off the ruler. You can just go like this. You can try just shaking it off, just going like this. If you want to change the eyes, just go like this. And then take the black and then go with a straight ruler. Turn it this way. And then go like this. Unlike in paint.net, you can't move the lines if you make one. You just have to really stick with it. So there are some limitations using ISBIS Paint X for Countryball. So you can just connect the two eyes like this. There we go. And then turn off the ruler. And I'll just connect these two parts. And now we can fill this area back to this dark green. So there we go. We have one eye done. Now I'll do the other eye. I'll come back when I do the other eye. So yeah. So I've just finished Bangladesh ball. So now the eyes are a bit distorted, but that's because I did the circles wrong. So now if we exit, close. So here you can save it as a transparent PNG, save it as a PNG, or back to your gallery. Just going to the gallery. And then you can also see how it turns out. Like it's a speed drawing of you doing it, which I personally think is really cool. So if you keep it on ×1, it says that I took 9 minutes to draw it, so I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to go at ×16 speed. And so we see this. It's really cool. You can also save this as an MP4 if you want. You can save it, as a movie. So that's how you make a basic Countryball on a Chromebook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Choti Creations.